Good morning. Thanks so much for starting your day with us. I'm Deanna Sauceda.
And I'm Mike Powers. This is Thursday, August 14th, and as usual, a lot to get to this morning. Are you one of about 40 million Americans who suffer from allergies? Well, there is some help out there, but for some, medications, going to the store and getting some medications can be almost as bad as the allergies themselves. But there are ways to stop symptoms before they begin. World-renowned allergist Dr. Paul Ratner and inventor Ashok Wahi are here to tell us how to do that. Good morning, gentlemen. Thanks for being with us.
Morning, Mike.
Good morning, Mike.
Good morning. Well, first of all, Dr. Ratner, let's start with you. What is your best advice as far as allergies and how to stop them, or at least cut down on the symptoms?
Well, I think the best thing anybody can do is to prevent symptoms before they occur. I mean, most everything that we have available at this point is treating the symptoms after they occur. When you have a product like Allergen Block, which can prevent the actual allergy symptoms by trapping the allergen, the pollen spores, it's a much more preventative approach and a much safer and perhaps more effective approach.
And this works for adults and for children, or is there an age limit on this?
No, this gel is safe for both children and adults. It's marketed for adults under the Chloraseptic brand, and it's marketed under the Little Allergy brand for children. And this is something parents are very familiar with, the Little Allergy group of medication.
Now, Ashok, is this your invention? Was this your idea? How do you fit into all of this?
We just heard that, Mike, 40 million Americans suffer from allergies, and one of them happened to be my daughter, Ekta. She suffered from cat allergies, and she, from the over-the-counter medication, was falling asleep in school. And I felt that if I could just block the allergens going in her nose, I could stop the allergies, and that led to the current invention called Allergen Block, Chloraseptic for adults, and for kids 12 and younger, it's called Little Allergies. And there are no side effects, and both are safe.
And so what is your background? Do you have a background at all in pharmaceuticals, or how did you help out with this?
I'm a mechanical engineer so that's the good part, you know, and doctor and engineer, you know, teaming up together to bring you out a product to 40 million Americans. You know, I mean, it's a novel approach. It's unique, it's safe, and best part is that this is a dad who has created it for his own daughter.
Well, let me ask you, Dr. Ratner, were you surprised about this treatment when you heard about it, or had an idea like this been in the works before?
No, you know, of course, at the beginning I was very skeptical, but as you know, I've worked with Ashok over the past several years and saw the results in the clinical trials we performed and saw the results I was getting with my patients we were trying it on. I became more and more excited about this product because it represented the first time we've really had a preventative approach, a safe, effective preventative approach for both adults and children for the treatment of allergies. In 25 years, it's a very novel and unique way that I've seen to treat allergy symptoms.
And what does the FDA say about the product? Have they said anything yet?
Well, the FDA has cleared the medication for the treatment of allergic rhinitis in both children and adults. They have reviewed both the clinical trials and the safety information provided, and cleared this product for release as a treatment for allergic rhinitis.
We have FDA registration, Mike.
What's that now? I couldn't hear you.
We have FDA registration on the product.
Okay, very good. Well, we're out of time, but Dr. Ratner and Mr. Wahi, thank you so much for being with us this morning. We'll be looking for your product out there.
Thank you, Mike. Have a good day.
Thanks,
Mike.